Thanks for using Bramework. Today, I'm going to show you how to use our AI writing tools to write your blog posts faster. We're going to start with the Catchy title tool. This tool will give you great, catchy title ideas. Currently, you can generate up to 15 titles per post. I'll generate 5 more and select one. Next is the outline tool. Here you can generate up to 3 outlines per post. Next is the Write Paragraph tool. This tool will generate a paragraph for any section heading that you highlight. For the tool to be active, highlight 5 to 25 words or 20 to 100 characters. For best results, make sure the highlighted section is clear and a clear statement or question. You can click the button above the editor to use the shortcut in the toolbar under Writing Tools. I'll demonstrate it again. You'll notice that it automatically asks the next line for you. Next is the Listicle and Step tools. For these tools to be active, highlight 5 to 25 words or 20 to 100 characters as well. Again, you can use the top button or the shortcuts. Next is the Rewrite and Summarize tools. For these tools to be active, highlight 8 to 100 words or 30 to 400 characters. Let me quickly demonstrate the Steps tool. I write my section heading first, then I highlight it and click the button, and voila! That's pretty cool, right? Next is the Write More tool. It's great for when you're stuck, have writer's block, or have a brain freeze. To activate it, write about 30 words. If you don't like the written text, click Redo before making changes in the editor. Or you can delete the text to reactivate the Write More button again. Remember, you can create more outlines and change between outlines here. Highlight any text to activate the toolbar to insert suggested images, add headings, etc. Right-click for additional tools and shortcuts. That's it. Now try it yourself, and thanks for using Bramework.